Hello students, welcome to Excel class number 11. So the topic of the day is cell references and we will understand the relative cell reference in this section. We have data in this section and we will apply some formulas. So what do we mean by cell reference? Cell reference is a cell address made up of column, that is letter, and row number. If we have a cell address N6, in this N represents a column and number 6 represents a row. So we will use these cell addresses in a formula. So equal to, we need to calculate the net income in this section. So revenue minus expense is the formula. So B6 minus B7. So these are the two cell addresses we have used in the formula B6 and B7, and these cell addresses are relative cell reference. Means in this column reference and row reference both are relative and they are free to move. If we will copy this formula from top to bottom, then the row references will increment, and if we copy this formula from left to right, then the column references will increment. But in this section we are not copying formula anywhere, so we will keep these cell addresses as it is. If we press Ctrl Enter, we get revenue minus expense, that is net income. Now we will find out, we have the data of quarterly sales. So we will find out the maximum sales, minimum sales, average sales and total sales. So see, we have different formulas will be used. So we will keep the cell addresses as relative cell addresses. Equal to max bracket start. So we will choose the cell addresses B13 to B16. Max is a function and inside this we are using cell addresses. So bracket close, Control Enter. So maximum sales is in quarter 1, that is 2 lakh rupees. So we get the maximum sales, and we have kept the cell addresses as the relative cell addresses. This is default behavior. We don't have to do anything with these cell addresses while putting it in a formula. So Control Enter, we get the maximum sales, and to find out the minimum sales, equal to min bracket start. Select these cells from B13 to B16, bracket close, Control Enter. So we get the minimum sales. Both functions are different in nature, so we are not copying this formula. Therefore we have chosen the cell addresses as relative cell address. Now to find out the average sale, we will use average function, equal to average bracket start. Cell addresses same, B13 to B16, bracket close, Control Enter. We get the average sales of these quarters. And if we want to find out the total sales, we will use equal to sum, bracket close, Control Enter. So this is the total sales. So in this scenario, in the example 1, we have calculated the net income and we have not copied the formula into the any direction. So we have kept the cell addresses as it is. And in this section, we have put the 4 formulas, but all the formulas were different. So we have kept the cell addresses as the relative cell addresses. Thank you.